Ready to unlock the full potential of Wati and revolutionize your messaging strategy with seamless integrations? First, you'll need to navigate to the Wati website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one before proceeding. Once you are logged in, look for the Settings section. It's usually on the left-hand sidebar or at the top of the dashboard. Click on Settings to access the configuration options. Within the settings, find API Access or a similar option related to integrations here. You'll see a Request API Access button. Be sure to click on it. Clicking this will open a form where you need to provide detailed information about your business, including details like business name, industry, anticipated message volume, and the specific use cases for the Wati API. Be as detailed as possible, because the more information you provide, the faster your request will go through. They want to understand how you plan to use the API, whether it's for automated notifications, integrating with your CRM, building a chatbot, or something completely different. You'll also need to carefully review and accept Wati's terms and conditions, alongside their API usage policies to confirm you're abiding by their requirements before submitting your application. After submitting, you'll receive a confirmation message. Wati's team will then review your application. The approval process typically takes a few business days. After the review, you'll be notified of their decision. Now you're ready to experience the magic of API integrations.